Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to the new video of your unit 8, that is first video of unit 8. All right, so unit 8, it is basic geometric concepts. Okay, so geo means geometric. What does geometric basically means? It has two terms, geo and metrics. Okay, geo means earth, isn't it? We call earth as geo. You might have learned about the you know this before. I think maybe in social also you have heard about this. Okay, geo means earth and metrics is measurement. Okay, so before it was like the idea, why does it called as geometric? It is because of the measurements or around whatever we see, right? So that's why it comes you call this as geometry. Okay, so geometric, geometry, anything. All right, so it's actually very easy unit for you all. You are going to just study the basic concepts in this, like what is a point. Okay, I hope you know what is a point. All right, so I'll just tell you what are the topics you are going to study in this unit, and then let's see a video. Let's watch a video in which all these concepts are explained with some basic examples. All right, so you'll study about point, how do you denote it. Okay, and you have a line segment. A line segment is the line with two with at end points. You call this as line segment. Okay, and a line a line can be drawn from the line segment by just extending the line with arrow marks. Okay, this is called as line. The line segment with arrows, it is, you call it, simply you call it as a line. Okay, so after that you'll study about ray. Okay, the point, and it is, the line is coming from the point in only one direction, you call this as ray. So this is an example of torchlight or sun rays. All right, so from the point of sun, all the it is coming towards the earth, right? So this becomes your sun ray example as ray. You will not forget this when you remember this example of sun. And if you talk about torch, from the torch light, isn't it, the light is coming out from this torch in the different directions. So these that is basically from this point of from the torch. Okay, all the light is coming in one direction, isn't it? So that is the ray examples. Okay, after that you will be studying two lines. Okay, two lines intersecting at one point. This is called as intersecting lines. Okay, after this you will study about parallel lines. Two lines which will not meet, those are parallel lines. And at the end you'll study about angles. Okay, so these are the different topics you are going to study in this unit, and it's quite easy. Okay, and when we do this exercise problem, now what we will do is we will just go through one video in which all these topics are explained in just some time. Okay, see this video carefully, listen to it carefully. Okay, so that the basic concepts you can understand properly. And then after that we will do the next video. I think this unit will be completed in just two videos, and the rest exercise problems we will do it in the Zoom meeting. All right, so in this point we are going to see definition of in this video, sorry, we are going to see the definition of point, the line segment. Okay, and then defining the line and array. and then parallel lines and intersecting lines, and then you are going to identify how the angle is formed, how what is the angle. Okay, so just watch this video for today, and then we will discuss the rest in the class. All right, so watch this.
Angle. A full stop at the end of sentence denotes a complete sentence. The full stop is a point with dimensionless shape. The almost invisible tiny dot by a sharp tip of pencil is the nearest idea to the point. A point determines the location. It tells us about the position. A point is labeled with capital letter like A, B, C. These points are read as point A, point B, and point C. A natural example of point is star in the night sky. There are many examples of a line segment in our daily life. The edge of desk, blackboard, pencil box, ruler, or lunch box is line segment. Take a paper, fold it, and then unfold it. The mark left due to folding of paper is a line segment. Take a thin thread and hold it without slack. It represents a line segment. The shortest distance between 2 points is known as line segment.
All right, so what is a line segment? It is the shortest distance
Stop.
between the 2 points. Okay, so can you think about any example around you? What is can you find different lines on the wall as well? When you look at the corners, you can see a straight line, isn't it? Right, and from down on the tiles also you can observe the lines, right? So if your tiles are of this square shape, so these are all lines, right? So what is a line segment? It's the shortest distance between 2 points. All right, okay, you can continue watching this.
Starting and ending of line segment are its end points. A line segment can be named by naming its end points. We can call this line segment as AB or BA. The badminton match is due B or BA. When the endpoints of a line segment are extended in both directions without any limit, it becomes a line. To represent a line on paper, we put arrows at both sides of line segment. You can represent a line by drawing a line over the 2 points representing it, for example, AB. Frequently, line is also given by single letters L, M, N, etc. We can represent a line or line segment by 2 points. It is interesting to note that a line contains infinite points. Look at the figure. When two lines pass through a single point, we call them intersecting lines. Two lines L1 and L2 pass through a point P, then L1 and L2 are intersecting lines, and P is the point of intersection. We can also define intersecting lines as two lines having one common point. A variety of examples around us has intersecting lines. Another set of lines are those which do not intersect. Such lines which do not meet at all are called parallel lines. The distance between these lines remain constant. Here, two lines L and M do not intersect, so they are parallel lines. A few examples of parallel lines from daily life includes sides of a road, tracks of railway lines, edges of a book. We have learnt about a line segment. What if we keep one endpoint fixed and extend the other? Do we have any name for such figures? Yes, it is called a ray. You can consider this as sun rays. Geometrically, we call the fixed point as the point of origin and extension as its direction of traveling. We name ray also by 2 points, a point of origin and a point before the arrow. Let us now move to another topic. The open door of almirah or a box forms an angle. In language of mathematics, when two rays start from a common point, we say that an angle is formed. In the given angle, ray AP and AQ has a common point A. The two rays forming an angle are called the arms or sides of the angle. The common end point is the vertex of the angle. Angle is named as angle PAQ. Note that the vertex specifying the angle is written as the middle letter. In the figure shown, interior and the exterior of the angle is denoted by different colors. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. A point determines a location. It is denoted by a capital letter. A line segment is the shortest distance between 2 points. The line segment joining points A and B is denoted by AB. A line is obtained when a line segment is extended on both sides indefinitely. Two lines meeting at a point is called intersecting lines. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet. A ray is a portion of line starting at a point and going in one direction endlessly. Two rays start from a common point forms an angle.
So this is the top. These are the topics which you are going to learn. Okay. So all the introduction and examples are shown in the video. In this video, try to watch this. Okay. And tomorrow the next video whenever I come up with the next video, the rest things we can do, that will be the last video for this unit, and other problems and all we will do in our Zoom class. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.